Hey, Eli. Ready to fill my truck without burying it this time?
Only if you promise not to fall asleep again, Jesse.
One nap and I never hear the end of it. Just don't turn my cab into a sandbox, okay?
No promises. Hold still. I'm aiming for a perfect score today.
Fine, but if you miss, you owe me a coffee.
Deal. Let's do this, Jesse. Hey everyone, I noticed only 2% of you are subscribed. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks so much.
Hey, Jesse, is that really all you've got? Come on, bring on some more next time.
Just you wait. Next time, I'm bringing the whole circus. Hey, Eli, you want to hear a joke?
Sure, Jesse.
What's a dog's favorite kind of pizza?
What?
Pepperoni.
Haha, that's a good one.
Thanks, Jesse. That'll wrap it up for today.
Thanks so much, team. Let's tackle the rest tomorrow. Make sure to enjoy the rest of your day.